Good evening, everyone. I'm Dulanjana here to present the pitch presentation of my app to treat level 1 and 2 of ASD in primary school students. As my target audience is primary school students of ages between 1 and 7, I chose to present the persona of Joseph Kurvila. Joseph is a 7-year-old student studying at Princeton Preschool at Perth. His foremost aspiration in life is to become a game designer. He is also interested in sports such as football and car racing. Joseph also likes to read books during his leisure time. Joseph had to encounter one of the most troubling experiences of his life till date last year. Joseph's classmates gradually started to notice a difference in Joseph's speech and behavioral patterns. These children started making fun of Joseph for his tendency to repeat sounds and words. One of his classmates even called him a weirdo. This hit both Joseph and his parents hard. It is a known fact that 1 in 160 children suffer from ASD worldwide. Finding a solution to treat ASD in children should be a serious concern among all human beings with a sense of emotion. The main areas that Joseph and children with level 1 or 2 ASD need to improve are speech and behavioral patterns. Ways to keep these children focused are also a necessity. Repetitive speech and sound is caused by a condition known as echolalia. However, this condition is treatable gradually through speech therapy and speech training. I believe that my app has all the necessary solutions to treat autism gradually but successfully. The app gives the user access to online therapy and training. These sessions will be conducted by professionally trained therapists. The speech feature gives the user an opportunity to speak on different topics for a certain amount of time. This will support the user to start, continue, and end a conversation in the conventional manner. The interests feature connects children with similar interests together and gives them the chance to interact and socialize with each other. In addition to these facilities, therapy videos conducted by well-trained therapists are also available. It is my belief that these facilities should be able to treat level 1 and 2 of ASD in primary school children, and that this is one of the most essential type of apps in today's society. That's it from me. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.